welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria Lovelace here. I'm so happy to have you guys here, and I hope you guys are good, because in this video we are gonna do a little unboxing and a try on video. Yay! And I actually had two packages here from SHEIN. Two packages, and this is actually the first time I ordered anything from SHEIN. This is the first time. I had never ever ordered anything from them, but I have read some different opinions about SHEIN, both good and bad ones. So we will see what I'm gonna think about this. So this is actually things from their Halloween collection. So I'm gonna try everything on, because I have no idea how the sizes are, and I have no idea about the quality. So you're gonna get in this video my honest opinion about their clothes and their accessories. So we're gonna try it on. So let's open those packages I have here. And I would say that it actually arrived pretty fast to Sweden. I think it took like around a little bit more than a week actually to arrive here to Sweden. So I am pretty amazed how fast it came here, because I know like Sweden is not really known like to get things fast like in the US, because I know that it actually takes a little bit longer now, especially with the COVID-19 and everything. So I am pretty amazed how fast it went to arrive. So we're gonna see how it is. I'm gonna be disappointed or it's gonna be amazing, so we will see. And you guys, if you can also show your opinion about SHEIN if you have anything, as this is totally new for me. So I have something here. It was actually packed in two packages. I have one here. So we're gonna open this. I see we have something here. So we are gonna open it. So this is the first item, and it's packed in those small like bags. I kind of like that. So we're gonna see what we have here. So this is the first item, and I ordered those as actually shorts. I always wear safety shorts, because I'm wearing a lot of like short skirts, and I like to have those under my small skirts. So I ordered those. We're gonna see. They feel actually kind of good. You see they have lace here and lace here in the... Oh, I kind of like those. It's gonna be interesting to try it on. Let's see the next thing here. Kind of like forgot what I ordered. I was like just using a lot of like different stuff from the Halloween collection, because I wasn't really sure. So let's open this. And here, also kind of cool. It's actually glasses. I don't know, I think this was pretty awesome actually. It's like bat spider webs. We can try them on now and see how they look like. Ooh, ooh, look at those. They're kind of cool. I kind of like those. Ah, that's a nice. Look like this. They're kind of cool. I guess you can also wear them like this too. I don't know what I like most. I always wear them like on my head or like this. I don't know. I pretty like them. That's nice. actually. So let's see the next thing. And here we have, maybe it's like stuck together, but it looks like this. There's some tights with bones. Kind of cool. I ordered a few tights actually because I felt like I needed a little bit like now, because sometimes it can get kind of cold at the castle, so I need something just nice. Tights, and it was also from the Halloween collection. So let's see the next thing. So this is a phone case, and it looks like this. As you guys can see, it have like little moons, bats. Kind of cool. Cool, right? Yes. I'm gonna try it on my phone later. It's nice. And here I have a little like a hair accessories. Looks like this. Can try it on. And now I'm wearing a little hair clip here, but oh, I kind of like it. Oh, it's very light. I love it so light. It actually looks exactly like the pictures. I like that. I like that. It was very nice. Yeah. And here I have some it's just regular like fishnet tights. A little like thicker. A little thicker fishnets. Look like this. I like that actually. I like that. Yeah. And let me see the next thing. This is also tights. They look like this. They're pretty nice. Actually pretty nice. I like kind of the fabric. I hope it's not too thin, but we're gonna try it on to see how they fit later. Yeah. They're cool. I like them. Like a little like Beetlejuice feeling on those. I think they're gonna be comfy. Let's see what we have here. And here I have another thing. Let's see, this is separate. And this is it's a robe, kind of. So you have like lace arms, very nice. And it's a little bit very hard to show you here, but I'm gonna try it on. So, but it's like a robe. Anyhow, this you tie it on the waist. So yeah, kind of nice though. I need one. And let's on to the shoes. This is actually a pair of shoes. I think you guys might be a little bit shocked when you see like I am actually have ordered those type of shoes. Okay, I think you guys are gonna die when you see those. Why did I wear those? Why did I wear those? But yeah, they are very light. They weigh like nothing. How can this even be possible? How? Wow. This is crazy. They weigh nothing. They kind of have very nice vinyl finish. I love them. Actually, I ordered those because my husband, Dracul, he really want to go out and run with me. And I don't really own anything running shoes. So I was thinking, and I didn't want to spend too much money on running shoes. I hate spending money on those type of things actually. So I want to have some pretty things, like it looks a little bit more nice. So I found those. So that's what actually why I ordered from SHEIN, because they had kind of nice running shoes that didn't cost too much money, because I just hate spending money on like working out clothes, because technically I hate working out, but I mean at least you want to look like decent when you're running. So I found those because Dracul have badass running shoes from Nike, but I didn't want to spend the money, so I just get something similar, kind of similar, but much cheaper, which I like. So I'm gonna try it on. I hope the size is gonna fit me. I ordered, actually I sized it up because I hear like there's size that might be a little bit smaller, so I sized it up in those, so hopefully they fit. I ordered them in size 39. I usually 38 or American 7, but I ordered those in size 8 or 39, as we say here in Sweden. So we are gonna move on to the next package. I don't know why this was sent separately, but I don't know. We're gonna open this and see. This is kind of the item I'm most excited for, because those shoes are, when I saw that I was like, okay, I needed those. I needed those so much. Oh, box. Looks so pretty though, like the rainbow color. Kind of interesting. I like the box though. Just the box looks promising. So here they are. And I'm gonna look at those prettiness, prettiness, prettiness. And look at those. I seen some have ordered those and I think they are just so gorgeous. Look at the bat wings. Look at the vinyl. Oh my god. Oh, luckily they had a zipper in the back, because I hate lacing shoes. I just want to have it quick. And look at the platform, is not too high either, so I think this is a very good shoes for like kind of more like every. And they are so light. They weigh like nothing, which is like crazy how light they are. And I love shoes that is light. I hate when it's like too heavy. So this one is also 39, size 39, size 8, I guess, in American sizes. And they look like this. The bat wing, have a zipper in the back, and they just look gorgeous. I hope the quality is gonna be good. I don't know anything about the quality, so it's gonna be also interesting to try out. So we're gonna try everything, and we're gonna see how the sizes are. So hang on and we're gonna try out everything. So this is the skeleton leggings, and they are pretty nice. I love the side thing here, the detail on the side here. I didn't really see it first, but it's pretty nice though. And here, as you guys can see, is the shoes. Also, this is the running shoes. And I have to say, the size was perfect. I ordered size 39, which is equals an 8. And they are very, very, very light. And I think I'm gonna be able to use those as running shoes because they feel very soft and that you have a lot of cushion either when you're gonna run. But I guess I will see when I try them out running later, and I think those also can be cool to actually running. Those tights, very, very comfortable, very nice. And I had a size medium, and I think actually I decided to size up both in the shoes and the leggings. I think also I would be able to wear size small also. But I think my medium is kind of perfect though, because I have kind of long legs. So I think that's why I choose medium instead of small. But yeah, I'm pretty happy actually. And this is the shoes. So yeah, I love this vinyl detail. And actually that I have like a little platform. I was thinking maybe of adding bat wings on the lacing, but I will see if I do that. Yeah, they're nice. I really, really like it. So, yeah, here we have the Beetlejuice tights. And they fit actually very good, I think. And this is also in size medium. I will probably be able to have size small too, but I choose to size up because I wasn't really sure how about the sizes here. And I'm wearing them together with the bat boots, which I love, and I'm so happy the size is perfect, and I choose it to size up in those because I wasn't really sure about the size, but now I'm very happy I did. This is a size 39, which is equal size 8 in American sizes, and the size is perfect, very, very perfect, and it works pretty good with these tights. So I'm kind of happy. This is actually very, very happy about those, and they fit perfectly. They are very comfortable. Fabric feels very soft. So yeah, this is the robe, and you can see it's very nice. And look at the arms, very nice. And it looks like this. And I'm also wearing the shorts. And the shorts is actually a size large because they didn't have medium, so I had to order a large. I think that was the only size they have. This one is pretty nice too. I love the lace arms. Nice, nice, nice. I don't remember what size I ordered this. It might be a size medium. I guess it could be a medium. But it feels very comfortable and nice. So yeah, so I guess this was everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think about SHEIN, if you have any good or bad experience about this company, because right now I'm pretty happy with it. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you should definitely give it a thumbs up and a comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button because you don't want to miss all the new videos that is coming. So see you guys in the next video. Bye!